Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're gonna keep working with MLflow runs, specifically about updating the data that we have within these runs. And the first method that we're going to explore in this video is mlflow.setTag. And this method set a tag under the current run. If no run is active, this method will create a new active run. So it's important that there is an active run running in the Python context. Otherwise, it's going to create a random run. So let's see how we can use this method. But first, I'm going to import MLflow and set the tracking URI. Now here in this cell, I am starting a new MLflow run using mlflow.startRun and using the method that I mentioned before, mlflow.setTag. I'm providing the key and the value. Now in this line, I am retrieving the run and printing the tags that are associated to this run. And as you can see here, we have my tag and the tag value. Now let me show you this in the interface. As you can see here, the run name is this one. So let me go to the interface. Let me refresh this. And we have this run, under which we have the tags, my tag and the value. Now let me go back to the notebook. Now you can use the same method to update the tag. For example, in this case, I am using mlflow.startRun, and in this case, I am providing the run ID, right? As you can see here. So I can specify the parameter as well, run ID. And when we do this, MLflow will resume the experiment, right? If we don't provide the run ID, this method creates a new run. But since right now we are providing this ID, MLflow will resume the run. And in this case, we are using mlflow.setTag to update the tag that we have there previously. Now the value is updated. So let me run this cell. And here we can see that, I retrieved the run and print the tags that are associated to this particular run. Let me show you this in the interface. Let me refresh this page. And as you can see here, the value of the tag was updated. Now let me go back to the notebook. And let's explore another method, mlflow.setTags. This is very similar to the previous method, but instead of logging or setting a single tag, we can use this method to set more than one tag at the same time by providing a dictionary of tags. So for example, in this case, again, since I am providing the run ID, what I am doing is resuming the previous run that I started before. Now I am updating my tag. This tag is already within this run. And I am creating a new tag, my tag2, equals to tag value 2. Now let me run this cell. When I retrieve the run object, I can see that the tags are associated to this run are my tag and my tag2. Now let me go back to the interface to show how this looks like in there. So I'm going to refresh this page. And we can see that my tag is updated again and a new tag was created, my tag2. Now get back to the notebook. And let's explore the similar methods but using the MLflow client. So we have the method setTag. And the main difference between this method and the method that we were using with MLflow is that, or the module, is that in this case we can specify the run ID. It says set a tag on the run with the specified ID, and the value is converted to a string, which means that in this case we don't have to worry about having an active run. Now we have to worry about having an ID. So let's see how this works. So first I am creating an instance of this MLflow client. And then I'm using client.setTag. I am providing the ID. And here I am updating my tag, right? With this value, tag value updated using client. And at the same time, or here in this line, I am creating a new tag called client tag. And this is the value. So let's run this. In this line, I am basically retrieving that particular run, and printing the tags associated to this run. And as you can see here, we have my tag and my tag 2 and client tag. Now let me show you this in the interface. If I refresh this, we have client tag, my tag, and my tag 2. So we effectively were able to use the client to update and create new tags. So now let's talk about something else. In this case, about run descriptions. When we were talking about experiments, we were providing the description of the experiment by updating a tag. And we can do something similar with runs. So here I am using the client again to set this tag, right? Basically, to provide a description, I have to update a special tag called mlflow.node.content and provide a description. So here I'm using the client to set this tag. Basically, updating my tag, which was already there, right? And mlflow.node.content to update the description. So let me run this cell and show you this in the interface. I'm going to refresh this. And now we can see that we were able to provide a description here, right? We can see this field and it says this is a description provided using the client. We can modify this as well here and maybe retrieve the new value using the SDK. So that was everything for this video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.